let's take a look at the latest from NV Gold Corporation. Now, NV Gold operates out of the Great Basin region in Nevada, which, if you're familiar at all with gold mining, you are familiar with Nevada being a long-lived history of active mining, previous producing mines. There's no shortage of history of gold mining in this jurisdiction. And that might lead somebody to say, well, everything good's probably already been found. Everybody's been over this ground repeatedly. Where is the opportunity? Where can you expand your exploration strategy? And I think NV Gold has a really good strategy that they're putting forward. And part of it exists around the idea that there is quite a lot of cover in Nevada. The blue layer that you can see in this slide is the pediment cover, and that pediment just means overburden, soil, gravel, whatever is covering the basement rock and preventing a geologist from seeing the rocks firsthand. So how do you actually dive in and look undercover? We're going to look at an example in a minute here, but let's just take a look here at existing gold trends in Nevada. So people will have probably heard of the Carlin trend, the Cortez trend, and the Walker Lane trend, but there are other emerging gold trends. And it's really exciting because in this image, you can see all of NV Gold's active projects, and a lot of them are aligning with these emerging gold trends. It's super exciting. And when we have a look at their pipeline, you can see that these are all in various stages of advancement, from recon analysis all the way up to their initial discovery with Slumber, which we're going to take a look at in a second. But it's a really healthy pipeline, and there's lots of opportunity. This year, they'll be focusing on 3 of them. We'll talk about Slumber in a minute, but they're also going to be looking at Triple T and Southwest Pipe as well. So if we dive down into Slumber now really quickly, let's take a look at what NV Gold is doing there. These are the claim outlines here, and you can see what they've done is a mercury vapor survey. And what this type of survey is really excellent at doing is looking for gold undercover. And it's very obvious to see from their results here that they've got some great positive results and some really great drill targets to test in 2023. Now, they've also done some chargeability and resistivity geophysics. If we take a look at that, you can see the placement of the drilling against those targets. And then if we look at the assays themselves, we can get a feel for the grade. So if we look at some of the highlights, we've got 39.6 meters over 0.3 grams per ton. So some really exciting results, which is great news for them. You can see here there are 5 targets that they're going to be drill testing based on those mercury vapor results, which is really exciting. And just again, coming back out to have a look at all of their active projects, you can really see they've got an absolutely great basket of projects to progress. So if you're interested, please reach out to NV Gold to learn more and to learn about their really exciting 2023 program.